Well, we'll be needing these for computery junk.
Ooh, ooly frooms. I love hoovering up things with those.
And I did manage to shut down the elevator system for safety, so we'll be needing these as well to get around it.
Ooh, I love jetpack adventures even more.
Holy-rific! But first, let me lock down the Gizmotron. Oh, the key isn't working, like everything else. We'll just have to press on them. To the elevator system!
There sure is a lot of junk floating around.
Oh, I'll never be such an ooly-fooly and let it get this bad again.
Don't be hard on yourself, Mayor Garth. You've learned your lesson, and it feels like we're making progress. Right, Mo?
The system has just gone from 90% clogged to 89% clogged. So, yes. You missed a bit.
Ah! What's going on? Quick! We better get cleaning!
It's out of control.
Yes!
The system is now only 5% clogged.
Yay us!
Yay, indeed! But let's get to the Gizmotron core and make sure we get rid of that last bit of junk.
Ready?
Ready!
And clean!
I now declare the system 0% clogged.
We did it!
Teamwork!